Another configuration you must do is the way you navigate in your phone. In this time you can see there are 3 buttons in the bottom. We can change the order of these buttons or change the form or the way we do our navigation by gestures. How we do it, we enter here settings. Now we're going to enter the option called display and go down and find this option called navigation bar. And now in this option that it's selected, you can see that we have left here and right here. If I change the order, now we have, you can see in the bottom how the order has changed. You can use the form the way you are used to do it in another phone, but if it's the first phone with the Galaxy ambient form to do, you can do it this way, or you can use knob buttons and you can do swipe gestures. If you select swipe gestures, you're gonna see how the buttons in the bottom will disappear and you're gonna have more space in your screen. So comment which of these 2 types do you use. I use buttons. This is how I'm used to do it. Subscribe, like, and let's continue.